be very careful about the words that you speak into the atmosphere, especially when you're going through some difficult times. So you don't want to speak anything negative onto yourself or onto your family members just by stating that. So if you're going through a negative experience, whether that be you're facing a health crisis or a financial instability, do not speak on I am sick or I am broke. No, you speak on that position in which you wish to advance to. You speak to, I'm going to my financial breakthrough. I'm going through my healing process. So you can get to that place and watch those words manifest. It is very important. Your tongue is your most a valuable weapon that you have. So be very careful about the words that you speak.